welcome to today's competition. Now then, we don't actually know what today's competition is. We were just told by some creature that there would be a competition here. I wonder what's going on. Oh no, that didn't sound good. Oh no, it's Jabba the Hutt from Star Wars.
Hello everyone and welcome to Jabba's Palace.
You are the one who said there would be a competition here today.
Yes, well I lied.
What's that big monster under the palace?
Glad you asked. This is Jabba's Rancor. It's pretty hungry and it'll eat almost anything, which is good because it's lunchtime and you're the main course. Being eaten isn't very complicated. You'll go up the ramp on the side and stop on the trap door, which will then drop you down towards the Rancor and into its mouth.
Oh no, what are we going to do?
What about if we feed the Rancor some things it won't like? Then it might not want to eat us as well.
That might work, but we need a distraction so you can escape and get the food that it won't like.
Distraction, eh? Hulk smash.
Hey, what are you doing?
There's only one big monster here, and it's me.
Quick, Spider-Man! Hulk's distracting them! Go, go, go!
Okay then, what won't a monster that'll eat anything not want to eat? Spiders? What else? Ooh, paint! One more thing. Ooh, rocks! Okay, now I need to hide them in old abandoned cars so the guard will think they're other superheroes.
You're no match for Hulk.
Come on, Spider-Man, where are you? Huh?
I'm here with 3 cars full of things the Rancor won't want to eat. Paint, rocks and spiders.
Oh, good. Ooh, I hope this works.
Okay, who's going first? Hey, who are these 3?
They're superheroes that arrived late for today's non-existent competition.
Well, for being late, they deserve to be eaten first. Who's this one?
Their name is, Paint Person?
Well, Paint Person, it's lunchtime.
So the guard put the car full of paint into position.
I hope this plan works.
Yes, it didn't like it.
I don't know what your friend was made from, but the Rancor didn't like him. Okay, who's that?
That superhero is called Rock, Thing.
Rock Thing? What a rubbish name. Oh well, you're next.
Haha, it didn't like eating a load of rocks.
What is going on? Oh, next, who's that?
That is Spider, Man.
No, it isn't. That's Spider-Man.
Oh yes, I meant Spider Wheels?
Right. Well, he's next. What? The Rancor doesn't want to eat anything else.
Yes! Woohoo! We did it!
Ha 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 ha.
Those cars aren't superheroes. You just filled them with things the Rancor doesn't like eating. Well, Jabba said you can go.
Yes, haha, we escaped, and we'll make sure to stay away from Jabba's palace from now on.